Mars. Why this year is important? Mars is a very small object compared to the distances in the solar system. It's half the size of the Earth. You can see here enclosed by the moon, covered. Best time for seeing it is during what we call as opposition, when they're closest together in their orbits. You can see here in 2016 how the situation was. And that's the time that we see the Mars as its brightest and its closest and biggest. Of course, even that big is very small. We describe the size of the Mars in the sky by angular measurements, by the arc minute, arc second, practically arc second. You can see here from November, you see how big it is. Mars is the one with the red. And the moon is getting closer and farther away every time. This shows the timeline. And moon is getting close, far. And the Venus and the Jupiter. Mars has the most prominent size in our sky at the moment. And up to 2022, you can see how the opposition changes. The Venus is getting bigger now because this is in opposition. When it comes into opposition, they look bigger. And the same applies to the Jupiter, although less because it's intrinsically a very big object. Mars, you see, is naturally smaller than all of the others. So, if we show this on a diagram for the Mars, you can see the distance in horizontal scale and the distance from the celestial equator in the middle line and in the y-axis. You can see that 2020 is the closest one, then 2022 farther up to the 2025, 27, 29, 31 and 33, which comes a little bit closer, but by then it is lower in the sky. So this year is really the best time to observe the Mars. The difference is between this tiny dot and this big dot. Watch it.